Alright, I'm out here packing my car up. No one's here yet, but today is Lock Speed Drift. It's part 2 for Jason learning how to drift, and it's gonna be a good day today. The weather's way nicer, it's like 70 and sunny today. I'm bringing my car actually this time, so I get to drive home and stuff, and yeah, it's gonna be a good day. So we just gotta wait for the other two to get here. Alright, we're rolling out right now. George and Jonas over there. Going to head to Thompson now. Alright guys, we made it to the event. It looks like Forza Motorsport 7 out here right now. Alright, all the drift boys are on the grass today. Alright guys, so we're set up, it's a little noisy, but we're set up right here, right beachfront property. There's a lot of drift shit going on. Jason is doing a lot better today, but these guys want to go get food. You guys can just go get some seltzers right there if you want.
I need some nourishment.
So yeah, we're gonna run to the food truck and then we'll catch back, get a ride along with Jason and shit. So see you guys in a minute. Oh, fail. Oh my god, what is that an MR2? This guy's starting early, 11 o'clock, got the meal hooked up.
I'm fucking starving.
Carrera. Yeah, dude. 76.
Got the shaving cream. I can't do that, bro.
He's up.
Wake
dude.
up!
He's up.
Wake up, bro! You've arisen,
Bro, you gotta go out drifting.
Yo, Alex, you're up, bro. You're up.
You're up.
You're up. We out here.
The grill is lit. Jason just went out for his second time today. What's up with you?
I just came back from fucking Minnesota. It's so windy.
Alright guys, Jason's gonna go for a third time pretty soon, probably like 20 minutes. Just giving a little update. There's the barbecue going on.
damn, dude, this thing feels awesome. Killed him, dude. That was awesome. Hey, that's fun, dude.
Alright guys, we got the Miata where Jason's just going out for open track, but then we're gonna clean up. Alright guys, George is in this E36 compact right here. Here he goes. Alright guys, Jason is swapping the wheels off the Z right now for the ride home. We're packing up, pretty much have everything all loaded up. It was a midday today, we'll probably get some rollers on the way home, but thanks for watching guys.